When you look at these palms, you'd imagine that you're in the Canaries or you're somewhere in southern Spain, a place in the world where the weather's hot, the weather's warm all year. And of course, that's the complete misapprehension that many people operate under, because these are winter hardy here in the UK. And in fact, they're so winter hardy, they're hardy to -8 degrees Celsius once they're established. And in fact, all over the UK, you'll see Phoenix palms or Phoenix Canariensis, which is the botanic name, planted outdoors, and they're big, they're massive. On the south coast of the UK in Torquay, there's some massive ones on the seafront. If you go to central London or any city centre, you'll see them, and they are beautiful. They're low maintenance, they're easy to care for, they really don't require much attention, and best of all, they are totally winter hardy to -8 degrees Celsius. Now, when you plant these, it's all about the look. So these are less is more plants. These are plants that you can have a pair of them flanking a gateway or flanking a doorway or just making a beautiful impression against a plain wall. And these lovely arching stems that you see will cast the most fabulous shadows as the sun passes over, and they really do look astonishing. Now, you can plant them in pots. You can plant them in the soil, the choice is yours. But what I would do when I got mine, if I were you, is get them, obviously they arrive in this size of pot, but get them then and think, well, actually, tell you what, let's put them in a matching pair of pots like this. You'll find these on the website. There's loads of pots to choose from, but these are fantastic. They're weatherproof, they're frostproof, they're sunshine proof, but they look, in my opinion, $1 million with plants like these. So these are bringing a little bit of the Mediterranean to your garden. So if, like me, you've skipped a few holidays recently, this is the way to bring the Mediterranean to your patio, the way to really give yourself that summer holiday feel. But these will be outdoors looking great all year. Of course, they're totally evergreen. They're totally hardy. They're completely low maintenance, and anybody can grow these. Here we are in the particular place in the nursery where we actually have many of our Mediterranean beauties, and I'm talking to you today about the Phoenix Canariensis. So this is the crop of those fabulous plants. So you can see you're looking at a very even crop. All of the plants are consistent, they're the same. So when you actually buy a pair of Phoenix Canariensis, you'll get a matching pair. So if they're going either side of a doorway or either side of a gateway, they're going to look the part, they're going to look fabulous. But this is where we look after them. We keep them in the perfect condition. We nurture them. They're watered, they're fed, they're cared for. And of course, when we take your order, we pick, we pack and we ship them, and we deliver them to you nursery fresh in the perfect condition. So they go from our nursery to your hands into your garden in rapid speed, so you know they're going to look fabulous, and the quality of them and the look of them going forward is going to be amazing. So Canariensis, the Canary Island date palm, absolutely beautiful. Get yours today and really give your summer garden the ultimate Mediterranean makeover.